Hello everyone, in this Scratch tutorial we're going to create a scrolling engine. So first off you need the player, you need the track, and you need the green backdrop for the grass. Now for the player I just made the Scratch cat smaller, and for the track I just used the brush tool and yeah, and in the next costume I just put a dot in the center. Now I just made a green backdrop for the backdrop, and yeah, let's get started. So go to your track, and when green flag clicked, switch costume to 2, which is the dot in the center, and set size to 600, and switch costume to the real track, which is this. Now go to front layer. Now when you do it, you see the track became big. Now let me position it like this. Now go to minus 720 and minus 121. You can do it whatever you want. Now instead of it, go to variables and create 2 new variables called scroll X and scroll Y. So scroll X, scroll Y for all sprites. Now set scroll X to minus 720 in the axis where the track is, and set scroll Y to minus 121 in the Y's. Now put the go to back and go to control and grab a forever and put it in the go to. Now go to variables, put the scroll X in the axis and scroll Y in the Y axis. Now yeah, if the scroll X is equal to this, the go to scroll X will go to wherever the scroll X equals to. So yeah, as you can see, it does work. Now let's code the player. Now go to when green flag clicked. Now go to looks, go to front layer, and go to 7 minus 32. Now from the control grab a forever loop, if then key up arrow is pressed, then we want it to change scroll Y by minus, let's say 6, and change Y by, let's say 3. Now duplicate it. Now change it to down arrow. Now here say minus 3, and in the scroll Y 6. Duplicate it. Now say here right arrow key Now change x by 3 and change scroll x, the scratch is going right, scroll x by, let's say, 3. Now duplicate it again and change it to left arrow and change x by -3, this by -3. And yeah, I forgot. Go to front layer in the first forever loop. Now let's try it. As you can see, wait, doesn't work. Oh yeah, I forgot. In the right arrow key, we need to make it -3, and in the left, 3. Now let's try it. For this, let's make it -3 and 3. Or how about here 0.5 minus 0.5, 0.5, 0. Minus 0.5 in all the if then, and here, yeah. Now let's try it. As you can see, the scrolling backdrop is working. Now for some quick changes, when go to front layer, and when key left arrow is pressed, then we want it to point in direction -90 and set rotation style left right, like this. Also in the right arrow key pressed, point in direction 90 in the if then. Now let's try it. As you can see, it is working. Let's play test it right now, like this, and it does work. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. You can add more features to it. You can change the player, you can change the track, whatever you want. So yeah, see ya. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more tutorials. Bye.